Hansab, in cooperation with Lithuanian Airports, implemented a major digital signage overhaul involving the installation of digital advertising screens. 84 advertising positions were designed and installed in Vilnius, Kaunas, and Palanga airports. More than 120 screens were used in the implementation of the project. The main goal was to create a smart and attractive way to display digital advertising. What differentiates the solution is the easy screen administration and convenient broadcasting opportunities. The airports house both indoor and outdoor terminals. Vilnius Airport now has the largest wall of digital advertising screens, as large as 36 square meters. To streamline screen management, a content management system was developed, allowing advertisers to see all the necessary information in one place, such as available screens, their location, and prices. It is one of the largest and most unique digital signage projects in the Baltics. It meets even the highest user expectations for visual communication. Together, we make today's innovation the standard of tomorrow.